Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable optimized charge limit on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to see the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. Then scroll down until you get to battery. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you selected battery, scroll down the battery page and click on battery health. Under battery health, scroll down, then it should say optimized charge limit. Apple Watch can learn from your daily usage and determine when to charge to an optimized limit and when to allow for full charge. Now to disable this, just toggle this off. And as that says turn off optimized charge limit for an extended period may impact overall battery lifespan. Just scroll down and then locate and tap turn off. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to disable optimized charge limit on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.